Hello, my name is Abela. I'm a foreign trade sales professional in Hebei Meishen Technology with more than 1 year experience in international trade. Our company is a manufacturer of magnesium oxide, magnesium carbonate, magnesium sulfate. Our products are mainly used in many industries such as pharma, food, steel, and so on. We have successfully established long-term cooperation with customers in various countries, and our products are exported to the global market. Our company is the largest and most comprehensive customized service provider of high-end new magnesium materials in China. We are looking forward to the opportunity to compete with you.